continue to solve the two-sum problem. 23, 42, maximum sum of a pair with equal sum of digits. So this means we are getting a number nums, and we just want to find two numbers, which has the equal sum of all its digits. So for example, 18, the sum of the digits is 9, and 36, the sum of digits is also 9. But we want to get the maximum of the two numbers. So 18 plus 36 is going to be the maximum number. It's going to be 45. And there are also two numbers like 43 and 7. So sum of the digits is also 7. They are equal. But 43 plus 7 is 50. It is less than 54. So this is why we could just return 54, because we're going to return the maximum of the sum of the two numbers if we can find that. Otherwise, we're going to return a -1. From the description, we didn't know about it, but we can check example 2. If we didn't find it, we're going to return a -1. This means this is not a good question. Normally, this would mention that it should be here. If we cannot find it, we're going to return a -1. But we didn't say about that. We have to check examples. If there's no such examples, we have to make a mistake because we don't know it yet. Maybe we're going to return 0, y -1, because it is not set from here, or it is not set from the concretes. But let's just check the concretes. It is 10 to the power of 5. This means we cannot use the brute force, but definitely we can use some other ideas to solve it. We can use a hash table. The idea is just a two-sum. So we're going to prepare a result equal to -1, because finally, if we didn't find it, we're going to return this -1. And we're going to prepare a dictionary. And because this is just a two-sum problem, it's going to be the default dict with integers. So it means from beginning, we're going to prepare a 0 if nothing inside. So we want to check all the numbers. So for nums, we want to prepare a total. So the total is going to be the total, the sum of the all digits of this number n. So it's going to be the map of integer with this string of the number. So this is going to be the total. And we want to check if this total is inside the dictionary. So we want to check the result. So the result is going to be the maximum of the result with the current number. It is this n. And what is the maximum number inside of the total? It is going to be the dictionary with this total. So now the last step, we want to just store the total for this number. But definitely it's going to be the maximum number. So d total going to be the maximum of this d total, because maybe this is the maximum, or maybe this number n going to be bigger than that, maybe the maximum. Now let's just try to check and submit it. As you can see, it works, and I think the speed is okay, because basically this is a O(n) time complexity, but we need to be careful about that, because basically here we have this kind of a formula, the sum map. So this is dependent on the length of the string, and the maximum number is 10 to the power of 9. So basically the time complexity is going to be 9 times n. So 9 times n, it is still 10 to the power of 5, so this is why we can pause. So we're going to say this is just an O(n) time complexity, maybe n times k equal to 9. Thank you for watching. See you next time.